Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing us how to make a ring light. As we know, ring lights are quite expensive, but if you can't afford it, you can just go with this. It's okay, same as the normal ring lights we buy. So we'll be using aluminum foil for this, and also we'll be using this LED light. You can just get this at any electrical store. It comes with this plug. Also it comes together with this plug. This is not expensive. I got this for 2,000 naira. So we'll be using this tape. Use the transparent tape that is on the screen. Then we'll be using a carton. So that is all we'll be needing for our ring light making. So I'll be using this to get the circumference to give me a nice round shape. So I'll just use my pen to take out the circumference. And then I'll just use my hand to sketch the outside. I'll use my hand to sketch it. If you have a bigger round object that will give you a nice round shape, you can use it, but I don't have, so I just use my hand to sketch it out, and I think it's okay. So I'll cut it out. I'll cut the excess using my scissors. So I'll just cut it to a nice round shape. Yeah, so we're using our aluminum foil, but let me measure it. This is I think this is around 14 and a half inches. So this is 14 inches. As we know, our normal ring light comes in sizes, so this is 14 and a half inches. So we'll be using our foil paper here to wrap the carton. The foil paper will help it reflect. It will give the light a reflection. It will give the light a nice reflection. So whenever you want to take pictures or whatever you want to use the light for, it will come out very bright. So that's the essence of the foil paper. So I'll just cut it into sizes so I'll be able to wrap it around the carton. So here we go. I'll start wrapping it round. Okay, so here it is. We are done in the wrapping. Please don't use black sellotape. I couldn't get the transparent tape, that's why I'm using black tape. The transparent tape is much better. So the next thing to do is to start fixing the LED light. So we'll use our tape to make the LED light sit. We'll tape it to the carton so that it will sit firmly. Please don't forget to subscribe. We love you. Subscription is free so that I get a notification whenever I drop a new video. So I'll just use the tape to hold it down to the carton. Like I said, transparent sellotape is preferable, and it will be nice and better than the black tape. But since I couldn't get the transparent tape, that's why I just decided to use this black tape for this video. But trust me, you will like the result. So we are just going to start rolling the LED light. Roll it in. Make sure you roll it very tight so that it will not loosen. So after rolling it to the end, I'll just use sellotape to just hold it firm. I'll use the sellotape to hold it firm so that it will not, as you can see, it's very firm. So I'll just put the plug and plug it to light, and here our ring light is ready. Beautiful. So I've plugged my ring light. Here is our ring light. As you can see, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'll show you a video of me using the ring light now. It came out so nice, just like the normal ring light we buy. So yeah, it is very beautiful. So please, you can try this at home. I hope you like the video. Thank you.